雀枝头叫喳喳，鸳鸯戏水成双对，翠鸟湖面鱼儿飞。喜鹊报喜吉祥到，乌鸦帮忙来筑巢。凤凰勤劳心地好，七彩羽毛传说送今朝。
梧桐树下的牵挂，生命的挚爱。百鸟朝凤迎春夏，梦想都开了花。鹦鹉学舌说着话，麻雀枝头叫喳喳，鸳鸯戏水成双对，翠鸟湖面鱼儿飞。喜鹊报喜吉祥到，乌鸦帮忙来筑巢。凤凰勤劳心地好，七彩羽毛传说送今朝。
I can't fly anymore. Can we take a rest?
I think you still have some strength in you.
I don't think we can find the king of birds. Forget it. Let's go back home.
We can't do that. We promised everyone we would find the king of birds.
What will we do when we find him? He's the king of birds. King! Do you understand? Yeesh. Can he really grant our wish? Do you think he will come all the way over to help save us from the drought?
But I wasn't planning on letting the king of birds solve everything.
Huh?
I want to ask him a question about the drought. I just want to know how to solve the drought. As for the wish, maybe you can think of a more meaningful one.
Oh, yes! Let's ask him to give us beautiful feathers. How does that sound?
No matter what you wish for, we have to find Skyfeather City first.
That's right. But where can we find it? The only thing we know is that we are heading in the right direction. There's only one way, and I only know it from the legend. Is it reliable? Just forget about it. Let's go back.
Okay, what you said also makes sense.
Right.
So, we should ask someone for directions.
If I knew all this would happen, I wouldn't have said anything. Little Phoenix, watch out!
Skyfeather City?
Of course we've heard of it. According to legend, that's where the king of birds
Lives.
Do you know where Skyfeather City is?
We heard about it. We've heard about it.
Skyfeather City is? Over there!
Huh? Which way?
Over there!
Oh, how could it be? We just came from there.
Over there!
Are you guys sure? Closer to the snow mountains?
No.
It's behind Snow Mountain!
Behind!
Huh? Whoa! I want to go home!
Little Crow, wait, let's ask again. If Skyfeather City is on the other side of the Snow Mountain, does that mean we have to fly over the mountain?
You can't fly over it! No one has ever tried to fly over Snow Mountain.
No one ever thought about flying over Snow Mountain. Never even heard of anyone flying over Snow Mountain.
That means you can't fly over it.
Did you hear that? We can't fly over such a tall snow mountain. Let's go home already. Huh?
Little Crow, wait a minute. We can't just go back like this, okay?
How can we get back if we fly over the mountain? Flying over the snow mountain? Stop kidding yourself. We'll be done for. Have you ever heard anyone who flew over the snow mountain? Totally impossible. No one can fly over it.
Who said no one can fly over the snow mountain? I flew over from the other side.
Oh no! The golden eagle! The golden eagle!
Fly away!
With your flying abilities, you'll be dead trying to fly over Snow Mountain.
Grandpa Golden Eagle, did you really fly over from the other side?
Of course!
Was Skyfeather City really on the other side of the Snow Mountain?
Of course! When I was young, I saw birds who flew over from Skyfeather City.
Impossible! How could a bird fly over such a tall mountain?
It's just that you can't fly over.
Then, Grandpa Golden Eagle, can you tell us how we can fly over the tall Snow Mountain?
With my mighty wings. Of course, also with the power of wind.
Grandpa Golden Eagle, can you tell us how to fly over the Snow Mountain with the help of the wind?
Do you guys really want to learn how to fly over Snow Mountain?
Yes.
Mainly Little Phoenix.
That requires much courage and faith. Can you guys endure strict training?
Can you not be too strict? Well...
The first step in training is to keenly judge the direction of the airflow.
Oh? What? Ouch! What are you doing? Why'd you do that?
Pay attention to the route of the feathers. That is the path of the updraft. As long as you follow the wind, you can fly higher with less effort.
Is there really an updraft wind?
Huh? I didn't know my feather can fly that high. Great!
What are you happy about? It's not easy to gauge the direction of the wind.
Oh.
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 Ouch! Plucking my feathers again?
Follow it.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, wow! Wow, it's really working!
Yeah.
Focus! Otherwise the feather will fly away.
Wow!
Ow.
While flying, there are no feathers to show you the way. You must learn to use your own feelings and find the updraft without the help of any tools.
Huh?
Wow.
You still have a long way to go. Try again.
No.
Hmm?
I mean, I'll do it myself. What if we followed a little bit closer?
Following the feather is not important. The important thing is to follow the path of the feather.
Wow.
I see it now!
Wow, so awesome! Ow!
Little crow!
Ah!
清早起床，阳光洒在我们的身旁，蓝天白云鸟儿飞过，欢乐的时光。鱼儿水里拍打浪花，小凤凰学飞充满欢乐。喜鹊唱歌，乌鸦拍声，欢笑声多美好。清风祝福我们拥有智慧和力量，没有烦恼，没有忧愁，梧桐树结的果子叫做幸福家乡。展翅翱翔，从蓝天飞过，五彩世界充满喜怒哀乐。展翅翱翔，